Top selling Japanese vehicles in Jamaica. Due to better economic conditions of the country, it has been the home to a large number of Japanese vehicles ranging from passenger cars, minivans to commercial trucks and vans. In the past 5 years, import of Japanese vehicles in Jamaica has increased by 55% in total worth. The main reason for this popularity is because of the affordability with prices while offering great options including latest technology, fuel economy, and easy maintenance. Toyota Corolla Axio. Toyota Corolla Axio, which is one of the most popular cars in the export category, had also positioned itself strongly in the Jamaican market also. For its elegant look and interior, it's considered quite economical. It comes in both hybrid and petrol engine. It offers all safety features and a very well contrasted interior in the basic package, which contribute in making it quite popular and obtain sustainable market value. Toyota Hiace Commuter. With Jamaica's economical mainly depending on tourism, Toyota Hiace remains very popular among the people in Jamaica. Amongst the commercial vans, Toyota Hiace Commuter is the most popular, especially 1KD diesel engine. Even though it falls in the expensive side, but offers a great value for your money. This engine is considered as one of the best in the world with great fuel economic, easy maintenance, and long life. Toyota Vitz. Toyota Vitz is considered as one of the most successful vehicles in Japanese market, with its entire model maintaining their popularity across the globe. The hatchback vehicle is a perfect option for a family looking for a low-maintenance car. The standard feature of the car includes air conditioning for better control and handling of the car. Is fitted with traction control system, electronic brake force, distribution and electronic stability program. Moreover, the entertainment feature in the car include radio with speakers, etc. Toyota Mark X. Toyota Mark X is also quite popular among the Jamaicans. It caters a little to the high-end customers with a very sporty and luxurious look. Nissan Ad van. Nissan Ad van has gained a great popularity among the Jamaicans in the recent years. It can be used as both family car as well as commercial use. It also comes with quite an affordable pricing. The interior of the van is also very spacious due to its dimensions, and as the vehicle is used for commercial purposes, Toyota Yaris. Toyota Yaris sedan is the most popular and top-selling Japanese car in Jamaica. It is a highly stylish and trendy sedan car, becoming a hot favorite among small families in Jamaica, Caribbean. It holds a huge demand and a value among local customers to make an instant decision of readily importing this awesome vehicle. Nissan Note. Nissan Note is a futuristic design 5-door mini multi-purpose hatchback vehicle. Possesses a keen demand and passionate value for the young generation of Jamaicans. It is an urban class small MPV, ideal for a little family pleasurous on the road journey, which will provide fun loving and exciting drive around. This trendy and sporty hatchback has a tremendous appreciation and admiration among customers, with a stunning and spectacular design to grab immediate noticeable attention of all ages of customers. Honda Fit Jazz. Honda Fit Jazz is a sporty and smart stylish hatchback car widely popular among the Jamaican customers. It offers a sleek, striking urban appeal for everyone and provides an ease of on-road driving experience. The Jamaican people are much interested in importing this luxury Japanese small hatchback car to help elevate their lifestyle by keeping up with modern technological trends in the market. Suzuki Alto. Suzuki Alto is a small key hatchback car, holds a large significance among Jamaican people by having an increasing buying ratio. It provides true liberty of drive with ease of road handling for customers. It is ideal for young men and women to enjoy the pleasure of drive with small family and kids. Suzuki Swift. Excitement like never before. Suzuki has made its impact over the years in the Jamaican culture. Suzuki is very popular and it continues to maintain that buzz. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Please click to watch more videos from Jamaica Biz. I am Ocean and see you on our next video.